Hi guys! Good afternoon. This is Jan from Jandam District. And for today's video guys, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano yung mga steps kung paano makapag-transfer from your GoTime account to your GCash account. By the way guys, may dalawang steps nga pala kung paano gawin to. At ipapakita ko sa video na to kung paano. At syempre, kung bago ka sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. At by the way guys, umpisahan na natin agad. So by the way guys, para makapag-transfer tayo, unang-una is kailangan nyo mag-login sa inyong GoTime application. And then after that guys, click nyo tong send transfer. And then, ang next nyo naman pong gagawin dyan is i-click nyo tong account number sa taas. And then pagka-click nyo ng account number, since mag-send tayo ng GCash, click nyo lang yung GCash. And then sa account number guys, enter nyo lang dyan yung inyong GCash account number and then syempre yung name. And then you can add a note guys. So let me just finish this up now. And also enter nyo lang kung magkano yung amount. So let's say 100. And then move funds lang, reason, and then transfer now. And then after that guys, enter your passcode and then you're done. Ganun lang guys kadali kung paano makapag-transfer ng funds from your GoTime account to your GCash account. So another option guys kung paano makapag-transfer is actually click nyo lang tong scan QR. Tapos kung may QR kayo, i-scan nyo na lang din. Pero kung wala naman at kung meron kayong QR na nakasave sa inyong gallery, click nyo lang tong upload QR. And then i-click nyo tong QR code and then automatic na yan mariread. And then click nyo lang agad yung next. And then enter nyo yung amount kung magkano yung gusto nyong i-transfer. Let's say 60. Then select lang din ng reason kung bakit mag-transfer. Click nyo lang yung moves funds from to own account. And then transfer now. And then enter your 6-digit passcode again. And there you go guys, ganun lang kadali. Sana nakatulong to sa inyo. And that's it guys for today's video. Kung bago ka sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kung meron kang katanungan, if you have comment, please comment down below in the comment section. I will be happy to read it for you. At kung kaya kong sagutin, sasagutin ko para sa iyo, okay? So yun lang guys for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See ya!